This video will show you how we will install WordPress to our domain name. So in the past video, I've shown you how to register your domain name and how to create your website using the free GoDaddy page builder that they have on their features. It's one of their products that they're offering to their customers. They already have a free um, website builder. On this video, I will show you we create or we install the WordPress. So you need to pay for it. Actually, if you go to WordPress.com or WordPress.org and you buy it from the main website, they also have a payment for WordPress. There are free version, but I don't really recommend the free version because it has a lot of bugs, it has a lot of cracks, and once it will ask you to update to the latest version, then you will be redirected to pay. So there's no free right now in the world right now. Everything has its amount of value. So that's how it works. So we have to adapt to that kind of system we live in. So we're gonna pay for our WordPress. So here I'm just gonna create. So this is your dashboard, your GoDaddy dashboard. So if you're going to create a website in the future for your own, for your personal use or for your clients, and they will ask you that they are registered to GoDaddy. So this is how it looks like on your dashboard. And since we didn't have a page builder yet, we're going to create a page builder using WordPress. So to do that, you just go to your domain and you click your domain, and you will be redirected to uh, a new page asking to what you're going to work on. So it's a build a new website, set up an email account, or connect on an existing website. What does it mean to connect on an existing site? For example, you already have a domain name purchased to other hosting services, and you decided to transfer your domain into GoDaddy.com, and that way you're going to connect your domain from the other hosting service to GoDaddy. So you just have to choose this option if you're going that way. If you're transferring a domain from another hosting service, going to this new service of GoDaddy. But for this one, we're going to build a new website. So that's the option that we're going to click on, and it will redirect you to another page asking you what you're going to do. So earlier we choose this website, free website builder, but now we're going to choose manage WordPress, and we're just going to select the basic. So there is the locks, and there are other options here that I've already explained to the previous video. But for this one, since we're just going to use it for our activity and for you to experience how to create your own website, then I'm just going to choose the basic one, and I'm gonna click buy. Then it will redirect you to a new page for your payment options. And that's a lot of money right there, but that's good for 12 months. But I'm just going to choose good for 1 month. And I'm going to pay for this, and I'll just have to post a video for me to pay for it, okay? You're right. Okay, so I already paid for our WordPress website. And now we're back to our main dashboard here in GoDaddy. And it says here, basic manage WordPress websites. So we have options here. Let me just check our options. Also, this is for the payment. And this is valid until September 1. So we're going to set up now our WordPress. So basically, if you notice, the dashboard for GoDaddy.com is very friendly. It's user friendly, as you can see here. Everything is understandable, and one tip that I will tell you, 10 years ago, it's not the way it is right now. It's very complicated 10 years ago. There are so many options on the sidebar, so many options here, and not every feature is usable or can be used. Hindi naman nagagamit yung ibang mga feature dati. So, I'm just so happy that after 10 years, lahat ng mga hosting services upgraded na lahat. Para na lang siyang Facebook, madali siyang i-access, madali siyang intindihin ng ordinaryong user or ng ordinaryong consumer, kahit hindi pa ito techy, kahit wala pa itong alam sa mga technical, madaling-madali naman siyang intindihin. So, kung plano nyo in the future, maggawa kayo ng website niyo, madali naman siyang maintindihan. Okay? And now, we're going to set up our WordPress website. You just click here, set up. While waiting till the page load up, I'm just gonna post the video, okay? Okay, so it's already loaded up. So it says here, let's build your website together, view templates, or choose another way to use WordPress plan, manage WordPress setup for experienced user, migrate an existing WordPress site. I think I have an existing WordPress site, but I don't want to use it because it has all my blogs and all that stuff. I don't know if you search my name online, so you'll see my hiredanny.wordpress.com website. I can actually migrate it here, but I don't think I can do that because we're going to use my website for your exercises. And this is for manual WordPress setup. You can actually build your website from templates, but I want when you choose the templates, that means you don't need a builder anymore, but we're going to install Elementor and DB for our exercise. So I will choose manage WordPress setup for experienced users. And now it will ask your WordPress login, username and password. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'll have to fill this up. Okay, so I've added my so it is not allowed to have that one. So I'm just gonna say I'm gonna have period probably. Okay. Okay, so I've added already the right username and password, so they're not allowing other extra characters. They're only allowing letters and numbers, so you have to remember that on creating your WordPress username and also your WordPress password. But this is only in GoDaddy, and they only have that requirement. So I'm gonna click continue. Set up your site to run fast, confirm the location. Okay, we're going to confirm the location. We're in Asia. So creating your website now. This can take a few minutes while you're waiting. Check some tips. Okay. So I'm just gonna post a video while it's creating or it's setting up our website. Okay. Now it's done setting up. As you can see here, it says congrats, your site is ready. We got you started. Now make it your own. So you click this view my website, and it redirected you here, log in securely to your WordPress. So this is our WordPress now. So see, it's so easy, right? I told you it's that easy. It's not that complicated to be a web developer. So much easier, and then you got paid for doing that. That's a nice thing, right? Now what we're going to do is so that's how you see this is the WordPress. So basically it's empty right now, so we're going to dashboard. So this is how it looks like. This is WordPress. I know a few of you have already seen WordPress, and I know also a few of you have not seen any WordPress or no experience in WordPress. But basically, this is WordPress dashboard. And you can see here at the left sidebar, there are a lot of options here. There are posts. This is for all kinds of posts. These are the media. All your images and videos will be uploaded here. Your pages, all the pages that we're going to create. There are comments. There are your appearances, the themes that you can choose. This is the plugin area. So I think we were going to use a lot on the plugin area because I will teach you to install a lot of plugins. This is the users, all the users here. So I will add all of you here in our users. So you need to send me your email ad tomorrow for our webinar. And it says here, Dane Canales. I'm an admin here. And then also we have the tools here. We have also the settings, general settings. This is a security. I think it's a firewall thing that Google Daddy have already installed for you. It's a pre-made, and we have also the video tutorials here. Oh, I want to see this. This is a new thing from GoDaddy. You can actually upload your video tutorials. Oh no, this is WordPress tutorials. Oh, see, so we already have tutorials here on how you can build your WordPress sites. So a lot of stuff's going on here. So you can also learn on this video tutorials for WordPress. But actually, we're not focusing too much on WordPress. We're focusing to another page builder that we can install here. Okay. But if you're having trouble with WordPress tutorial, I suggest you watch all the videos here. Okay, I might add it to your task. I'm not sure. Yeah, let's add it to your task. Okay, I will give you 1 day or portion of your time to go and watch all the tutorials here. Okay. So that is dashboard. So this is dashboard. I'm just gonna make a basic setup here for our WordPress. So we're going to change the title. So how do I do that? I went here to the settings section and I click on general. You see here, you see my mouse pointing out on the left sidebar. So I went to the setting, click on general, and I'm going to change our site title. Okay, tagline. I think I think no tagline for now. We'll leave it at blank for now. Or I'm thinking, a learning journey for everyone. How that sounds like. WordPress URL. So this is our WordPress URL. Your domain name cannot be changed here. Okay. This is pre-made. Actually, in the other web hosting site, you can change this. But for GoDaddy, they've already pre-made your page domain. But that's fine. Okay. And that's my email ad there. Please do not do anything bad about my email ad. Okay. You cannot, please do not make any changes on my email ad or do not try to hack me. Parang awa nyo na. And that's it. I think we're just gonna change this one here. Oh no, month and that one. And that one. Okay. I'm gonna save that one. And let's see how it looks like, my website. Let's see how it looks like. So I want to change the domain name. So I'm going back to GoDaddy and I will try to change our domain name. Mm-hmm. Okay. So I already attached that domain name. So WordPress version 5.42. And then the PHP version is 7.3. SFT details, that's fine. SFTP means this is for your FTP. If you're going to connect on local computer, then you're going to use your FTP, CDN enabled. So database is PHP my admin, so it's not MySQL. For MySQL is for other hosting service. Oh, I don't know. Okay. Yeah, I think we're good. So I've already changed my, I've changed the domain name. Let me check that one again. Still not changing. Ah, okay, here you go. It's changing now. Nice. So it's supposed to be, look at the domain here. So it's supposed to be danecanales.com and then with the admin, right? We're still not secure here because I did not avail the SSL certificate. I'm going to show that on our next video to show you how to security here to add SSL certificate. So basically, we're done here. So that's how you set up your WordPress platform inside GoDaddy.com. And even in the other platforms, in the other hosting services platform, remember that it's so easy to install it because they've already upgraded their dashboard. Even a newbie or not so technical person can do it. And you especially, you can do it in the future if you're planning to build your own website. Okay? Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.